So now let's talk about your 6 buzz tools. So there are more buzz tools, but these are enough to get you started. First one is free opt-in gift. Second one, email series. Third one is the casual mention. Fourth is the Facebook event. And the fifth, community involvement. And then after that, frequently asked questions and new angles. And
that's something you're going to do all the time.
Exactly. Over and over.
All right. So I would say the most important buzz tool, number 1, is your free opt-in gift, because it's what's going to get your list growing, and is ultimately, because email is where you're going to do most of your sales, you need to be building that. So that's part of getting all the audience you have in. It's going to be your central kind of hub to your launch, getting people in there. So do offer something free that's related to your upcoming event. We did sort of give you ideas about things like that in previous sessions, but it could be a report, a printable or other download, a video. You could do a live Q&A. And also make sure when you are, you're going to also tell them about the event. So they're going to get this free thing. You're just going to say, this is free and this is what you can get. You're also going to mention your course or your event inside the gift, in the email follow-up, and also on your thank you page. And the thank you page template we gave you last week also includes that, so you won't miss that. But also, when you're doing this, keep in mind, when you're putting together your free gift, that maybe you're going to show them what to do, not necessarily how to do it. And that's something we talked about both weeks as well. And what do they need to know to make the decision to say yes, right? So you might be educating them so they feel ready for your class, that they have the knowledge they need or the confidence or whatever it is to take that step. Buzz tool number 2 is your email series, because you don't want to grow that list and then not talk to them. When I know lots of people do that, I bet there might be some guilty people listening in right now.
If you would like to have access to the entire class recording, then check out the link in the description section below.